Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to boot to BIOS from Windows. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. For booting to BIOS from Windows, open your settings, and then go to the System tab. From here, go to Recovery option. Here you'll have an option named Advanced Startup. Just click on Restart Now, and your PC will restart. Now from the Windows recovery environment, click on the Troubleshoot option, and then click on Advanced Options. From here click on UEFI Firmware Settings, and then Confirm Restart, and your PC will boot to BIOS. And as you can see, the BIOS is here. And this is how you can boot to BIOS from Windows. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.